Hello, well, today we are talking about the nested list. Before entering this problem, first of all, click in login to hacker rank and scroll down practice sections Python. Okay, solving today problem. In this problem, we have a n number of students and students name and students grade. Our task is to find the second lowest grade. Note that there are multiple students with the second lowest grade. Print the each name of the new line. Okay, examples: chi to get the 20 marks, beta 50 marks, alpha 50 marks. The second lowest grade is 50. That's all, beta and alpha. The second lowest grade is 50. The student's name beta and alpha. So we have printed the alphabetically order alpha and beta. Okay, the input format is first line contains integer n and second line to have a two separated sequence lines. First line student's name and second line contains the grade. Constraints range is 2 to 5, so we have code to range order of n factorial. The print format is print the name of any student's second lowest grade in list. Okay. Yeah. Sample input is 5 students name and grade in floating point. Okay. The second lowest score is 37.21. There are two second lowest grade, Harry and Barry. In alphabetical order, we have print Barry and Harry. So print that. So the second lowest grade of 37.21, both Harry and Barry. Print the names alphabetically order on each new line. Okay, let's go to code. First of all, we get an integer a equal to int of input. Then we will be create a empty list students name and students grade equal to empty list. Okay, now fill up in the list for I in range 8 times to be loop will be run. Then the inputs to be stored in students name and students grade dot append of input. The student's name is string, so we will be get a input, but the student's grade is a point value, so we will be get an okay. The append function to be work any value to be stored in last in list. Now we will be find out the key value of this problem. The key value is second lowest value. We will be remove all duplicate elements, so we will be set the list students grade. So now list is to convert dictionary. Uh, so I convert the list. Then the list to be sorted order temporarily sorted is list to be started. Then the key value equal to d of 1 because the lowest value to be present in d of 0, and then the second lowest value to present in the index d of 1. Okay, now to be merge a two list, so we will be use zip function. The zip function students name comma students grade. Okay, the zip functions variable to be worked to merge the two list functions, two list. The students name variable I and students grade variable j. Okay, okay, if j, that means students grade double equal to key value second lowest value, append the final list append of I, that means students name. We will be create a final empty list. Okay, append. Okay, now we will be get a second lowest students, but is not started, so we have to sorted the names short of. The sort function syntax is list name dot sort of in Python. Okay, for I in final, that means this list name, print of I. Now will be run the code. Okay, list name is not sorry. You now to be run your code. That's right answer. Submit our code. A great dinner. Come on, Chanda. Chanda coming. Yes, is the right answer. Okay, what will we do? We will get a first an integer, then we'll be make a student's name and student's grade empty list. Then for loop to be run 5 times. To be get an input student's name and the student's grade value. Then to be set the value, that means to be remove duplicate values, then sorted values. Again to be then to be convert the set function, then to be convert dictionary to list, because the whenever to be used the set function, the list to be convert dictionary, then again to be convert list functions. Then we will be get a key is a second lowest grade, then will be create a final list empty list. uh, then zip function to be used, student name to be variable I, student's grade to be variable j. If j double equal to key, that means whenever matched a key, we will be get an answer, but is not a sorted order, so we'll be use the sort functions. Then print a name. Okay, so this video useful to you, like and share, comment, and don't
Thanks for
forget
watching.
subscribe to our channel.